We're up to mitzvah 37. We're up to the mitzvah where it says it's a prohibitive mitzvah, number 23 in the Torah, which is only for men. And that is, it's loisane b'reich le'yitzhaker. It's found in Shemois. Chaf, the same in the Aseret Sedibros, Parashas Yisro again. Shemois Chaf, pasuk Yud Gimel. Loisane b'reich le'yitzhaker. You should not bear false witness against your neighbor. So it is forbidden. You are forbidden to have a false testimony against somebody else. Now that means Bezdin has to interrogate each witness to find out if they're really trustworthy or not. And let's say you hear from somebody who you absolutely can trust. You know for sure you can trust them. You heard from Mamish, you heard from Moshe Rabbeinu something. He said he saw it. Don't you think you can trust him? Doesn't make a difference. We have to, number one, you cannot testify unless you actually witnessed it. Right? So if I heard it from the most trustworthy person, that doesn't help. I have to witness it. And number two is, like I just said, even if Moshe Rabbeinu comes in, we have to first interrogate him. We have to make sure that he is
saying the truth.
He's telling the truth. So we're going to have to ask him all these different questions to make sure that we are certain that he knows this particular thing.
A lie test?
Now, not a lie test like that. A lie test where we give, maybe nowadays they would give such a lie test, but I don't think so, because it's just based on sweat. That doesn't really, it's not enough. So we have to ask him based on the testimony if it makes sense that he's telling the truth. Basically, the whole world depends on truth. As they say, sheker ein lo raglayim. There are no legs for sheker, for lying. The whole world relies on truth. And someone asked me, why are some of these mitzvahs in the Aseret Sedibros? And that is, this one we cannot, some of the other ones you can understand. But you think to yourself, what does truthful testimony have to do with anything? Why should that be one of the 10 basic mitzvahs? And the answer is because if you don't have truth in this world, there's nothing. You can't trust anybody. You can't trust anything. You can't trust anything you see or anything you hear. So bottom line is, it's all based on truth. Truth is one of the biggest fundamentals of the world.